Good morning, everybody. My name is Vanshkumar and I am a student of 10th D standard. Today, I am going to represent an experiment to check whether the detergent powder is acidic or basic in nature using turmeric powder indicator. Let's start. First, take a glass of water and add some turmeric powder and make a solution. As you see, the color of water changes to yellow. Now, this becomes an acid-base indicator. And let's add some detergent powder to see whether the detergent powder is acidic or basic in nature. After adding the detergent powder, if the color of the solution changes to red, it means that the detergent powder is basic in nature, or if the color of the solution remains same, it means that the detergent powder is acidic in nature. Let's do it. As we observing, the color of the solution changes to crimson. It clearly shows that the detergent powder is basic in nature. And that was our experiment. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My appreciation is Tanveer Kaur and I am a student of 10th D standard and my roll number is 31. So today I am performing an experiment to show the basic nature of detergent solution by using an indicator. So first of all, an indicator is a substance that changes its color when any base reacts with it. So first of all, I am using turmeric as an indicator. Turmeric solution. Secondly, I have detergent solution. And at last, I have some lemon juice. So first of all, as we already know that detergent solution is a base, so I am adding a few drops of detergent solution into the turmeric solution. Now you can see the turmeric solution has changed its color into red. So it proves that detergent solution is a base. Now I will add this lemon juice, which is an acid, into this solution. Now you can see the effect. Now the solution changed into its original color. So the lemon juice, which was an acid, acted as a neutralizer and changed its color. So I concluded that detergent solution is a base. And when we use this lemon juice, which is an acid, it turns the whole solution into its original color. So thank you and have a nice day.
Morning everyone, I am Prabjot from 10th D standard. So today we are going to do acid base experiment. So here's turmeric, lime water and detergent water. We will make a turmeric paste. Add water to the turmeric and make a paste. We will put this turmeric water on the drying sheet. We put that lime water on the turmeric paste and we will see the lime water remains yellow in color. Now we will put the detergent water to the turmeric paste, so we can see that the color changes to reddish brown. From this activity, it is confirmed that from acidic solution, the turmeric paper turns yellow, whereas from basic solution, the turmeric paper turns to reddish brown color. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, it's me Prabjot Kaur from 10th D. So today I am going to do an activity which shows the reaction between detergent and turmeric solution. For this activity, we need water, turmeric and detergent. Firstly, we need turmeric solution. To make turmeric solution, we need to add turmeric to water in both the glasses. Now I am adding turmeric. Now the solution of turmeric is ready. Now we have to add some detergent powder in one of them. We observe that the color of solution changes in which we add detergent. This is because turmeric contains a chemical called curcumin which remains yellow when it is reacted with acidic or neutral solution but changes red when it is react with a base. That's why the color of the solution changes. Thank you.